Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a domain on Squarespace in just a couple of minutes. I'll be walking through this on the web interface. First, log into your Squarespace account at squarespace.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one during this process. Once you're in, you'll see your Squarespace dashboard. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Settings, then select Domains. This takes you to the Domains Management panel where you can register new domains. Next, click the Get a Domain button. You'll see a search field appear in the center of your screen where you can type your desired domain name. Type in the domain name you want and press Enter. Squarespace will show you available domains and suggest alternatives if your first choice is taken. You'll see a list of different extensions like .com, .net, and others, each with their price listed next to them. Browse through the available options and click Add to Cart next to the domain you want to purchase. You'll see a confirmation that the domain has been added to your cart. Now, click Checkout to proceed. This takes you to the Order Review page. On this page, you'll see a drop-down menu next to your domain where you can select the registration term length. Choose how many years you want to register the domain for, anywhere from 1 to 10 years. The default is usually 1 year. Review the pricing breakdown. You'll see the domain cost, any applicable taxes, and Squarespace includes domain privacy for free. If you don't have a website yet and want one, you'll see a Pick a Plan option here, but you can skip that if you only want the domain. When you're ready, click Confirm and Purchase. This takes you to the payment page. Fill in your billing address, contact details, and payment method in the form fields. Make sure your information is accurate. ICANN requires valid contact details for domain registration. Once everything's entered, click the Payment Submission button at the bottom of the page to complete your purchase. If you're using a credit card issued in the European Economic Area, you might need to verify the purchase through your bank. You'll either get an email from Squarespace or see a note in your dashboard prompting you to verify. Just follow the instructions to authorize the payment within 2 hours. After your purchase goes through, check your email. Within 15 days, you'll receive a verification email asking you to confirm your contact information. Make sure you click the link in that email. If you don't verify within 15 days, your domain will be suspended. All Squarespace domains are set to auto-renew at the end of your registration term, and you'll get a reminder email 15 days before renewal. Also worth noting, you can buy multiple domains at once if you want to secure similar extensions to protect your brand. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.